What's up, guys? I know the audio is a little bit different than usual. That's because I'm using a different mic. I just got back from break, so I'm still working on getting everything set back up. But today's video, we're going to be checking out something for my Mac Mini. Now, for those who saw my setup tour, you guys know that I have an M1 Mac Mini. Well, the problem, and a lot of other users have complained, is that it's only got a few ports. It's only got 2 USB-A and 2 Thunderbolt. So what I bought is this. So it's a little dock thing. It goes underneath the Mac Mini. We're going to open it up. We're going to try it out. And this one also has a 1 terabyte hard drive built into it. Or, no, sorry, it's not built into it. It's got a SATA, SATA connector. So what I did, and I just haven't opened this yet, but in this box that I'm going to violently open, we have a 1 terabyte mechanical drive that we're going to put in it. So I'm going to show you guys setting it up and where we're going to go with it. So let's jump into it. Now, for anyone who doesn't remember, as I said, this is my M1 Mac Mini. And on the back, we've only got, Ethernet, 2 USB-C or Thunderbolt ports, the HDMI, and the 2 USB ports. So we're going to be adding the dock station to this. So let's do that. So let's open this up. So this is a hard drive. We'll do that later. I haven't opened this yet. And on the inside, okay, so it's actually a really nice containment thing. So we got this. Just has more ports, more storage, more compatible, more elegant. Basically it shows us how to set it up right here, which, it's plug and play pretty much is where we're at. This thing's light. It's a lot lighter than I thought. Now it's supposed to come with a cable, right? But I'm willing to bet that the cable is in here, which is where the hard drive goes. But just looking at this now, right? I thought this was going to be a lot heavier. But let's unlock it, as it says right here. Yep, so there's the cable. So yeah, this little cable will just connect to a Thunderbolt port on the back of the Mac Mini. And then we connect this. So now that we've got this open, you guys can see there's the hard drive bay. So we're just going to open this up. And I know I'm going to have to format this drive with my Mac Mini, but we're going to do that. The reason that I got this one is because currently I have a 4 terabyte drive hooked up to it because I only have the 256 gig storage option. So this is going to expand that quite a little bit for me. And it just clicks right down like that, and then we'll put the cover back on. Now, you guys don't have to do this, but I'm just going to shut down the Mac Mini just because I'd rather not hot plug things like this into it. Stuff like cameras and whatever I'll hot plug, but something like this, I'm not gonna. So let's plug it in now. Now, you guys don't have to do this, but I'm just going to shut down the Mac Mini just because I'd rather not hot plug things like this into it. Stuff like cameras and whatever I'll hot plug, but something like this, I'm not gonna. So let's plug it in now. So this is what it looks like, and I should have gone over the ports before, but we have a USB 2, 2 USB 3s, SD, micro SD, and a USB-C here on the front. Now, it doesn't seem like a lot, but when you add in the other ports on the back, it actually gives you a few good amount. So we're going to reach over and we're going to power on the Mac Mini. So pretty much, this is what I expected. So it popped up and said that it's not supported by this computer, which makes sense. Of course it's not supported yet. It hasn't been formatted. Okay, so we got this one right here. This is it. This is that 4 terabyte drive. We're going to move everything off of it. So we're going to erase it, and that way we can format it. So we're going to just, which I guess is a good thing. It tells me that something's actually working. So we're done. That's pretty much it. So we've got extended Mac Mini HD right here. We'll open files real quick right here. Extended Mac Mini. So we currently don't have anything on it, which is a good thing. So we're going to currently, we're going to move some stuff, but I'll get back to, I'll stop recording for now and I'll come back in a little bit. So yeah, pretty much, I've been moving all my stuff, and it's actually surprisingly fast, especially considering it's a hard drive that I put in there. You can put an SSD, but down below in the description, don't worry, I'm going to link both of the things I got, the dock and the hard drive. So until next time, guys, drop a like if you like this video, subscribe, trying to grow this channel a little bit, trying to just, get a little bit more presence, but yeah, all in all, until next time, guys, peace.